Hello everybody, hiya. Toot toot. Today on SLR.tv we're in East Lothian in Scotland, overlooking the Bass Rock. The Bass Rock is described by David Attenborough as one of the 12 wildlife wonders of the world. It's a sanctuary for gannets, 150,000 at peak breeding season. Whoa! That's just about as bad as a pair of Stevo's socks. Right, why are we here? We are here today to visit RC Scale Scotland, the home of radio control, scalers, crawlers and model off-roaders in Scotland. The club are well on their way to 1,000 members and enthusiasts enjoying a whole different world of RC scale. We're going to meet a guy called Alan who's going to tell us all about it. Now, if you just head on a wee minute, I've got some of my seaside snaps to show you before we look at the Chevy. Alright, there you go, the Chevy Blazer from 1978 and the Mercedes 6x6 wheel drive. Wow. And here's the Jeep Wrangler 4x4. Whoa. So that's what's coming up today on SLR.tv. It's an RC Scale Scotland festival. Now, I did think that I should tell Stevo that we're not meeting him in the car park. We're actually meeting the guys up the law. So that means there's a bit of climbing involved. All right, Stevo, here's your chance to shine. Where are we?
Well, here we are at North Berwick Law. We're supposed to be meeting a guy with a Cherokee Jeep, but I don't see a Cherokee
Jeep. Oh, Stevo, this is my assignment. I forgot to say, when I took the booking, the arrangement was that we're actually to meet the guys halfway up the hillside. Let me just have a wee investigation, and I'll have a wee look at the directions. Right. Okay. Yeah, I can see that. So we're going all the way up there. And, yeah, that's going to be where we start. Alright then. Yeah, that's quite high. Okay. Right, Stevo, let's go to Alan to tell us all about it. Alan.
Hello there, I'm Alan from RC Scale Scotland.
Hello Alan, and thanks for joining us today on SLR TV. So, what kind of vehicle is this?
What we have here is a radio-controlled crawler truck. This truck here is based on a genuine body. It's a Chevy Blazer. Okay, I think about 1978 model. Now, these trucks are not designed to go fast, exactly the opposite, they're designed to go slow. So, just like the real thing.
I see, Alan. So, what can you tell us about the suspension and the drive?
Turn over at the chassis. We have full independent suspension all round. Four-wheel drive. This particular model here features portal axles for increased height, increased ground height. Brush guards to save the body.
Oh, Alan, this is very impressive. Now, does it come with gears, and what sort of pace does it have, bearing in mind that this is a crawler?
We have a 2-speed gearbox. And from that, we can go from a pretty fast walking speed down to 1 mile an hour, basically.
We're on a hillside here in East Lothian, but is there an optimum surface?
Because of the four-wheel drive, they're designed to go over obstacles. So terrain like roundabout is perfect. We have nice rocks there, lots of good slopes. Nice soft terrain, so the rocks and the grass, entirely different handling capabilities. So you need to adapt your driving style for them.
You're with Gregory Bear from SLR.tv, and today we're with Alan from RC Scale Scotland on a hillside in East Lothian. Alan, what about optional extras, add-ons, gizmos?
Now, in this particular model, I've added a few accessories. We have a driver. What I also have is sand rails. So should I have a bit of a rock that is just a bit too steep, these can be placed under to add an extra slope. Now, these models come in a variety of body styles.
Now, Alan, that takes me to my next question. Are there various body types and styles available?
A variety of chassis styles.
So, moving on, the Mercedes six-wheeler from the Scottish Mountain Rescue. Tell us about that then.
On my left here is a 6x6 Mercedes Unimog. Again, same thing, full 6-wheel drive on that. And there's another example we have here.
We might just need the Scottish Mountain Rescue to find Stevo later. Now, Alan, this is an impressive fleet. Tell us about the Jeep Wrangler 4x4.
Another four-wheel drive, this time based on the Jeep Wrangler body. This one here is fitted with also with a working winch, brush guards for undergrowth, and a full set of accessories for scale detail, including a driver. Now, opening up the body, in there we can see we also have a camera. This allows the driver to actually get a view from the camera onto a little monitor, so just like driving a real truck.
Alan, it looks a super pastime and great fun. Now, with all these extras and cameras and suspensions and everything put together, I can feel the costs beginning to rise. So where would we be for entry level, say, for somebody that's interested in getting into the fun? And starting out, would you say?
Hobby starts cheap, about £150. From there, the sky's the limit, really. It just depends on what you want to put in it and how fancy you want to go.
And I can see that the operation and control of your vehicle is from the handheld device there in the background. Well, Alan, this looks the greatest of fun and a fantastic pastime. Let's have a look at the vehicles again. We've got the truck-based Chevy Blazer from 1978, the Mercedes 6x6, the six-wheel drive machine, and of course the Jeep Wrangler body, which is the 4x4. And there's the handheld device to operate and control your vehicle. Now, Alan, I've managed to lose Stevo, which is quite a regular occurrence, so can I possibly thumb a lift maybe down to the bottom of the hill and could you drop me off at the car park? Stevo! Stevo! Can you hear me? Where are you? Stevo! Phone me on my mobile. Ugh, I bet he's getting his photo taken or something. Anyway, Stevo! Last down the law buys the ice cream. Right, I'm not playing hide and seek with you. Oh well, I can see the headlines tomorrow. Stevo, lost on the law. Never mind. Thanks for watching. Thank you to Alan and all the guys at RC Scotland. I found that interesting and informative. Thank you very much. And remember to like and subscribe. You can pass links on to your mates as well, if you'll do that for me. Thank you. I think I'll ask Alan if he can get me a JCB digger, a crane or something. I put links below for RC Scotland for you to have a look at more stuff that they do, and you can see all the vehicles in action. See you next time on SLR.tv. Toot toot. See ya.